Welcome to lesson number 3. Learn Kikuyu with me, Boniface. We want to ask the question of who in this lesson. No is asking who. For example, Ũcio no or no Ũcio. Who is that? So Ũcio is that. Who is that? Ũrateithio no. There should be a question mark here. Ũrateithio no. Who is helping you? Teithio is helping or being helped. Teithio is being helped. Ũrateithio no is who is helping you. Right. No ũrakũhũrĩra. Who? Kũhũrĩra is calling. No ũrakũhũrĩra. Who's calling you? That is on phone. No ũcio mũraranĩria nake. This is to ask who is that? Kwaranĩria is to converse with. That is to hold a conversation or a dialogue. So no ũcio mũraranĩria nake. Who is that you are conversing with? Okay, the next one is talking about who. The word is ũthoma, which is to study. And if ũthomithia should be to teach. So no ũragũthomithagia or no ũgũthomithagia, sorry. No ũgũthomithagia. That is just to ask who teaches you. No mũrũaru. Mũrũaru is a sick person. So no mũrũaru is to ask who is sick. Now let us look at the vocabulary we have learned. There's some Kikuyu vocabularies here, including Kairĩtu. Kairĩtu is a young girl. Kahĩĩ or kamwana, that's a young boy. Mũirĩtu is a young single lady. That is a lady of marriage age, but they are single. Therefore, they are Mũirĩtu. Mwanake is a young single man. Mũthuuri is an older man or a married man. Mũthuuri. Mũtumia. All right. Mũtumia is an older woman or an older married. It's an older woman or a married woman or an older married woman. Can be either of those three. The same case with a man, whereby Mũthuuri will be either an older man or a married man or an older married man. Okay. Mwandĩkwo is an employee. Mũrutwo is a student. Mwendia is a seller or a salesperson. Mwendia or a shopkeeper. Mũgũri is a buyer or a customer. Right, there's a small exercise here. You can read aloud these two sentences. Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful lesson. If you would like to replay it for you to understand better, just feel free to replay the lesson. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Welcome to lesson number 3.